Welcome to Doing Our Bit, and today we're going to look at insulating a conservatory. We're hoping to add an air conditioning unit into our conservatory space, so it really does make sense to do something about the fact that we've just got a polycarbonate roof. There are three ways of doing this. One is the sort of panel system. Another way is to have basically a retiled roof so it looks like an ordinary roof. And lastly, internal insulation, which is fitted inside your existing roof, where said obviously doesn't leak and is in good repair. We selected the least expensive version of this, which is where you put the insulation actually under your existing roof. And we used a company called Conservatory Insulations to do this. And now you're going to see a speeded up video of them actually doing it. We're certainly very pleased with the finished product, and we'll be interested to see just what a difference it makes in the coming year. Anyway, I hope this short video has been useful, and if so, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.